Hey guys, it's Archie Luxury on the Archie Luxury channel. Today guys, I'm going to unbox my latest Seiko dive watch. I'm not really a fan of affordable watches, but I fell in love with this one. Before we start, wristwatch check. What am I wearing? I'm wearing a solid gold Breguet Type 21. Okay, let's have a look at this watch here and let's discuss it. So this is a Seiko. And Seiko themselves they have many levels of watch. They have the Grand Seiko at the top. They've got the Presage in the middle. And then they've got Seikos at the bottom. This here is probably one of their more mid-tier because it's a Japanese-made Seiko. A lot of Seikos have been made in cheaper countries. Let's have a look here at this one here and see what do we think of it. Okay, so we're just opening her up. Da-da-da-da. And what have we got here? Well, we immediately having a look here. We've got a pretty mundane sort of box, nothing really flash. And we've got some cardboard shelving and we've got some manuals inside here. What do we got here? This is a manual on this is on the watch itself here. The Seiko, and it says there, it tells you the model. Diver's watch for air diving instructions. Okie dokie, fair enough. That's one book. Then we have the what do we got here? We've got this is a warranty. Is this a warranty? The Seiko, this is the guarantee. Okie dokie. Tells us. We then have here, this is the warranty card itself. Interestingly, this tells us some of the brands here. King Seiko, Prospex, Astron, and Presage. So this is kind of geared at the mid-tier. This is one of their mid-tier products. This particular one here, let's have a look. It tells us it's a 6R35-01V0. And this watch here was sold 23rd of the 4th, 23. So it's just going almost 2 years old. Almost 2 years old. There we go. And then we've got another, what's this here? Another instruction book here. How's that different? Are they both M18? Fuck, we got two. I don't understand. Why did we get two? No idea. Anyhow, maybe that's a mistake the seller made. Oh, who gives a fuck? Okay, dokie. Let's move on here. This is the box. What do I think of it? Box is actually made in China. Okay, fair enough. We've got to do everything we can to keep the costs down. The box doesn't feel shit. It doesn't feel luxurious either, but it's okay. Let's open this bastard up. It's springed. And there we go. Voila! It's a Prospex, Seiko Prospex. Save the fucking ocean. Save the ocean. Jesus. Okie dokie. Let's have a sticky beak here. This is the watch. Now, I've actually fitted this watch to a NATO strap. This is the bracelet for the watch. And I got to be totally honest with you. It's fucking garbage. The bracelet really feels like shit. It uses a pin and sleeve system to remove or add links. It's a total bitch. The clasp, it just looks fucking nasty. Fucking nasty. And interestingly enough, people complain about Grand Seikos being cheapy, the clasp being shit. Well, I think this is shit as well. So there we go. That's the clasp. What an awful fucking bracelet. Okay, so let's go and have a look at the watch here. And the watch is actually very beautiful. This watch here gives me vibes of the Mass 62, but they're fucking expensive. What I love about this watch is that dial. Look at that dial. And if we zoom in, it says Japan 6R35. Look at the typography. It's actually printed quite nicely. The dial textured surface. It's done pretty damn well. It's got the bezel is bidirectional or unidirectional. It's it only goes one way, and that's exactly like most dive watches. That's so you don't accidentally bump the timer. That's the reason for that. Rolex does the same. Okay, so let's have a look here. What do I think? What do you think? What do you think of this? Well, it's actually pretty nice watch. This watch sells for about $19.50, and secondhand you can get it for just a bit over half. The watch, what do I think of it? It's actually quite nicely done. It's not garbage. It's quite nicely done. Now, fuck me dead, I didn't do any homework. It's gearing up for the date change. You can see it's 10 to, well, 13 or 12 to midnight, and that's the reason the date is halfway fucked. Jesus, Arch, that's slack. You got to prepare your stock, get your stock ready before you shoot the vid. But that doesn't digress from it. It's quite nicely done. Nice bezel, nice color. I like the little minute markers on the bezel all the way around. The Rolex stops at 15, so this is a full bezel there. Nicely constructed watch, beautiful blue dial, 40 mil, 20 mil strap. What more would you want? What more do you want there? I think it's a beautiful watch. $2,000. I mean, I don't know about, it's Australian dollars. Okay, Australia. What's that? 1,300 US. Fuck, it's not cheap. It's not expensive, but it's, fuck, that's a fair bit of coin. It's not free, is it? It's not fucking free, that's for sure. It's not a $200 US watch. This is fucking $1,000 plus. Yeah, so, I mean, what do I think? I think it feels a bit cheap, to be totally honest with you. I'm a little disappointed. The packaging feels a little bit on the cheap and cheerful side. You know, I suppose if you're used to the Toyota lifestyle, the Camry or the Corolla, it just feels okay. But the bracelet is a big disappointment. I think that just feels like fucking garbage. It feels like fucking, maybe, you know, I'm just a Rolex man or a Breguet man. I kind of like a little bit of attention to detail. But, I mean, even the sponge just feels like, it just, I don't know, it just doesn't feel well, it's not a premium watch. It's at the price point, 1,000, just over 1,000 US. Yeah, I get it. It's a nice enough watch. It is what it is. Not a bad watch, not a great watch. But, yeah, what do you guys think? Is it cheap and cheerful? What do you think? Is that expensive? I don't think it's that cheap. I think it's fucking... Is it value? Well, I mean, it is and it isn't. I suppose I would like a Mass 62. I like that sort of watch, and that's what I was hoping to get. It does wear a bit small. I must tell you that. Compared to Rolex, which is also 40 mil, this fucking wears small. So, yeah. You tell me what you think, guys. Put some comments below. I'm Archie Luxury. This has been a review. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, tell your fuckhead friends. And don't be afraid to put some comments below. See you later, and I will see you in the next one. Nice one, Arch. Great vid. Remember, guys, I live stream twice a day, morning, night. Morning, night. Check out the Archie Luxury live stream channel.